Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Holden Colorado LTZ dual cab ute, stock reference number 5355. The shape runs from the first month 2012 through to the 9th month 2013. It has an LWH 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. LWH 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, factory front bull bar with all fittings, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, power fold type in chrome, bonnet has faded paint but no dents, a set of aftermarket Lenso road terrain 17-inch alloy mags, all with no rash and good tyres. Right front door appears to have no damage, left rear aftermarket Lenso 17-inch alloy mag with a good tyre, left LED type tail light, tidy chrome bumper bar, aftermarket TAG tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate has only 2 small dents. Right hand LED tail light, right rear Lenso 17-inch aftermarket alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door and right front door both appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror in chrome, power fold type. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch aftermarket alloy mag, Lenso brand with a good tyre. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.